Guys and girls, make some elderberry syrup with me. This is not my recipe. I just figure I'll make a video on this and show you guys my process and how it comes out. So we're gonna need ginger, about a thumb's worth. Lemon, we need about 3 tablespoons of that. Cloves, I'm thinking I'm only gonna do 2 or 3 in there. 1 cinnamon stick, 300 grams of elderberries. We're gonna be using, I believe, a 1/4 cup of some raw honey made by our bees and a liter of water. Let's get to it and I'll show you guys how to go about doing this. So, we're going to add our ingredients into our pot one at a time. So you want 300 grams of elderberries, all pulled from the stem. Make sure that they're ripe, guys. Don't take any green ones. Cloves are strong, so I think I'm only going to do 3. 2, 3. We'll go one more. 4. Now we're going to cover and bring to a low boil over a medium heat. It's also worth mentioning 1 liter of water in here, or 4.23 cups. So now we're boiling. We're going to turn the heat down to allow it to simmer. It smells delicious in here, by the way, guys. So we're looking to now have this reduced by about half. Make sure everything is stirred up nicely. They say it can take 1 to 2 hours to reduce by half. Let's see how it goes. We're gonna put our lid back on slightly, allowing it to reduce. So this recipe calls for 150 grams of honey. We're going to put the honey in first, so when we pour the liquid in, it'll hopefully incorporate well. Also calls for, it says 1 juiced lemon. It says about 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. We're just going with it. That's fine. Now we're going to take our elderberry mixture concoction. We're going to strain it through here. And we're actually going to press on the berries to extract any remaining juice in there. And then we could discard all the berries and ginger and the wonderful cinnamon and cloves. So we're just going to sit here and press it through like this until we've extracted everything appropriately. We're going to whisk to incorporate. Now I made sure that the mixture was below 110 degrees because that's where you're going to start to lose some of the antioxidants and good properties of raw honey. So once it's incorporated, we're going to put it into jars. They say that it's good in the fridge for up to a month, frozen up to a year. But do your research, guys. There's a couple different sources I found. One saying up to a week or 2, others saying up to 3 months in the fridge. Do your own research and decide what's best for you. And we're going to give this a taste in a second to see how it is. We're going to let this elder syrup chill down in the fridge, and once it does, we're going to jar it and we're going to freeze some and have some for fresh use. Hope this helps everybody, and happy foraging out there, guys.